You are going to love the 2024 A6. The large executive favorite, the Audi A6, remains a cornerstone of the market. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.